So this is part 2 of the toolbox. It's basically a restoration. I'm not sure what to call it, but so we're gonna give this thing makeover a little bit. So I'm not sure if I'm going to start this, but I might start a mechanics or things I fit something on the channel. Which I know it's kind of stupid to have 2 channels already, but I'm just going to do it. So, we're going to jump into this toolbox, and I'm going to show you what to do. So, you need this scratch pad. This scratch pad, if you got some good paint, and you don't want to do all the sanding and work on it, you can use the scratch pad, get it so paint can stick to something, new paint. So, make it look like this. See those scuff marks? That's what you have to do it with. So, that's what you're supposed to do right there. Basically. So, let me show you now what to do. Let me copy up on. Actually, wait a second. Actually, no. So, here we go. All the wheels are locked up. I locked them up for a second. So, we're going to do this real nicely. Let me flip this around, actually. Okay. We're not going to do that part because it has, what do I call that? Well, basically, it's for marking stuff. So, see this? Make sure your hand is like this. So you don't have see, let me show you. I'm gonna spread out my fingers. So here we go. Now let me get the light. Actually, let me get it on some part that hasn't been done. Let me get down here. Let me back it up for a second. Actually, I'll just show you it when I'm done. So, like this. I don't have a big enough surface to show you yet. Let me do the bottom pan, actually. Okay, time to show you now why you should not go like this. So, if you do that, see those marks? It'll be like that. And you don't want just those individual marks. Do you see them? I think you do. Okay, you don't want those individual marks, so we're going to continue doing this, and I'm going to show you the right way to do it. So, you go like this, okay? Boom, put your fingers together so you don't have those individual marks. Or, sometimes, if you don't want to do that, just stick your palm on there and rub it. Okay? I'm going to show you how good that does. Side by side. time to do it side by side to show you. So, there's that one. I'm going to do vertical for a little while. There's that one. But then there's that one. See the difference? This is the one that you would want. So, that's what you're supposed to do. So let's keep on trucking. Oh, also, let me tell you this. If you get in a crease, you can use your finger like that. Look, see that? Or you can just go like this. Put that under it. Just use like 2 fingers. Or just go like that. See what I mean? Look. So basically, just have 1 finger on it. So, I'm going to start getting this thing sand down. Then we'll get to painting. And I'm going to make it in the same video. Catch you in a little bit. So if you have this good of paint, I forgot to tell you, if you have this good of paint, which is a little scuffed up, but I'll just sand on those parts. You don't have to take off. Well, you don't have to disassemble everything in the cracks, because the spray paint will get in the cracks. So, I'm going to get back to work. Just wanted to give you a note of that. Ready? Also, always use a flashlight to check your work. Actually, if you want to, you can use the light, but sometimes you can just see the scuffs. So, I'm going to keep on drawing. You enjoy this. I'm at 30 seconds on music montage. Guys, this is how you use this on a circular surface like this handle for my toolbox. This scratch. It's doing pretty good. Looks real nice. He inspected my work and said I did a good job. So, I guess I did a good job. And here. This thing's all dirty. It has a cobweb in there. I don't think you can see that. I'm gonna get a light for you. See the cobwebs and crap in there? I'll have to blow that out. So, I have some big plans in for this basically Harbor Freight toolbox with the U.S. General. And I have some big things. I'm missing one of the side things. That's why I did see cobwebs in there. Well, I guess I'll just take the other one off so it matches. That's what I'll do. Get a screwdriver over here and take it off. And you can turn it over and down between the bolt ends. So, got done with this.
Oh, you're doing the drawers, huh?
I have to do drawers?
Yeah, you're gonna paint them, ain't you?
Yeah.
I ain't been. Those will be easy. They're all flat.
Yeah. Can't I just put down one of those sanders and have it go like that?
There you go on, Andy.
You need to get attachment on the sander like this.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
That may be too aggressive.
Maybe. Got that done.
Nice.
Things are looking up for me.
Yeah?
Things are looking up for me. I'm about to get all the things done. Well, time for the drawers. I might save those for tomorrow. I might hear tomorrow. Crap. So, guess I'm gonna pop this off with it. I probably could use my hands. But I'm only getting a screwdriver actually, and I can't use my hands barely. So, you never give me a flathead. Flathead. cushion that is on here. It'd be pretty cool.
Huh?
Hang on, look pretty cool. I'm gonna do that.
Why did you do that? You did. Why you had it? Why you cut it out? You know? Any idea? Never get around it, I'll say that.
I'm sure it got cut.
Oh yeah.
Hey. Question. Do I have a thing I'd be able to do this with right now? Okay guys, I'm going to get back to you in a second. I'm going to see if I can paint this. So guys, I will conclude this episode, which I believe this was episode 2 of the toolbox restoration. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, all that good stuff, and turn on notifications so you can figure out when a video comes out. Because and don't forget, I'm still going to be doing hot pepper challenges and stuff like that in the future when I get to a certain mile marker. So I'll do it as soon as I can, but I'm going to do something small first, like I'll just do something for once I get 10 subscribers, and it'll be a surprise, I guess. So don't forget to do all that stuff. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to check all my other videos, and I'll see you in the next video.